Lesson 8. Inner Guidance. Introduction. This lesson introduces the learner to the concept of inner guidance. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learner will be able to describe the concept of inner guidance. How does inner guidance work? GPS. Intuition. Question. How can we open up our sixth sense, intuition, or slow down the mind? Answer. By focusing on the first 5 senses. For example, sight, hearing, smelling, touch and taste. Feeling. Exercise. Sit down on a chair, keeping your back straight. Relax your hands by keeping them by your sides and then slowly lift your hands and place them on your knees. 1. Sense of touch. Close your eyes and use your sense of touch by moving one of your toes, then all your toes up and down. 2. Next, use your sense of smell by breathing in deeply through your nose. Do this a few more times. 3. Then use your sense of taste, whatever flavor may still be in your mouth. 4. Now use your senses of sight by slowly opening your eyes and taking in all the colors around you. 5. Close your eyes again and use your senses of hearing, listening to sounds around you, then listen to the sounds farthest from you. Outcome. Your inner voice or intuition will become stronger. When we teach ourselves to listen to our own senses, we can use this strong woman's skill to protect ourselves from people who might want to harm us. For example, I just had a bad feeling about him, or I just felt something wasn't right. These girls listened to their body signals. They were listening to their inner voice. Ancient tribes used to train their children to rely on their senses by taking them into the forest, familiarize themselves with the sights, sounds and smells of the forest for their own protection.
Feel the heart, experience the soul. Community Pulse.